Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching in the whole wide world. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your 10-inch tablet to your tripod and you can fly it with your drone. So stick around. Right, first things first, you're going to need your 10-inch tablet, a data cable, tripod, controller, drone. You're going to need a phone holder, and you're also going to need one of these phone holders as well. First, you're going to need your normal phone holder that you use for a small tripod. Make sure it's got the screw at the bottom. These are quite sturdy, very good, not flimsy at all. Then you're going to need the top of your tripod, you know, the little clip there that you get, and then just clip it underneath onto there, it says. I always find these tricky. Well, that's what you need to do. Screw that on there like that. Make sure it's level. That looks about right. Then you'll need to get your tripod. What you need to do now, get your tripod, make sure it's a sturdy tripod. Get your phone holder, and then all you do is clip it in here into the top like that. Fasten it in. That's now fastened securely. Alright. So now, as you can see, the phone mount is attached to the tripod. Now we need to get the tablet holder. There it is. There's the tablet holder. Make sure it's facing the right way, which is that way. Well, you spin that round and attach that to the little phone holder. Make sure it's screwed in tight, like so. And face that up like that. Make sure it's nice and level. So there you go. There is your phone holder attached to your tripod. So now we've got his tablet holder connected to his phone holder, we need to attach our tablet to the tablet holder. Make sure that's on nice and secure. There you are, that is now attached. Right, next, you need to get your data cable. Connect that to the tablet, if I can get it the right way. Connect that in there. Get your controller. Mine's got a USB port at the bottom there, so I need to get the USB bit and pop it in there like that. It says the right way. Don't knacker it up like I'm knacking the port up there, because that's broken. So that's now connected to your controller. The tablet's connected to your tablet holder. The tablet holder's connected to your phone. Then your phone holder, the phone holder's connected to your tripod. Now we need to switch everything on to see if it all works. Hopefully it does. First, we're going to turn on his controller. Now we've got to turn on the drone. This is the Mavic Air. Wait for that to do its business. We'll pop it down there. Da, 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 da. Transfer files. As you can see, it's come up. You can't really see it because my screen's too bright. I have downed it a little bit in brightness. Just once DJ Go 4 up. It will start up shortly. Boom, there you go. It's coming on, DJ Go. There we go. Just to prove to you that it is connected to the drone. Press the go. There we go, now it's coming on. It's connected, and I'll just move the wheel up and down for you, just to show you that it does work. The wheel and the controller, that is, for the camera. So there you go, and it doesn't lag or anything like that. The only difference is that you've got it on a tripod and instead of in your controller, so now you can have the tripod fully extended when you're out and about, and you've got your hands free and your controller free. You can see everything instead of it being on top. So yeah, I think this is a good way to for those of you that like find it a bit tricky with the tablet and a phone holder in the remote control. Yeah, make it a lot easier. Alright guys, so there you have it, your 10-inch tablet on a tripod instead of in your RC holder. So I thought that was a good way of doing things. It's no extra weight to me because I'm a cameraman anyway, and I've always got my tripod with me, so that goes on the side of the bag, and tablet weighs next to no anyway. So yeah, so hopefully when I'm out in the sticks and I've got nobody around me, I can get the tripod out, set it all up, and jump the gun. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to press the big red button, and also if you're new around here, the like button as well. Alright guys, I shall see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.